Welcome to Trippin' Majestically, your passport to wanderlust and adventure. Embark on a journey with us as we traverse the globe, uncovering hidden gems, exploring vibrant cultures, and indulging in awe-inspiring landscapes. Join us as we wander through bustling city streets, traverse rugged mountain trails, and bask in the serenity of pristine beaches. From exhilarating escapades to tranquil retreats, our channel is your window to the world's most captivating destinations. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and entertained as we share travel tips, immersive experiences, and insider insights to help you plan your own unforgettable adventures. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or an armchair explorer, there's something here for everyone. So, pack your bags, leave your worries behind, and let's embark on a journey of discovery together. Adventure awaits. Subscribe now and join us on the ultimate exploration of our planet's wonders.